got something pretty big and exciting to share. I've been teasing you guys a little bit in my stories, and now is the time to unleash it. It is live right now, so check it out. Welcome, welcome, welcome. The Ultimate Weight Loss Bundle. If you have checked out any of the past bundles I've been a part of or helped put on, this is totally different. This is the first time it's ever coming together, and I think it's the biggest one that I've ever been a part of. Really stoked to be a part. This one has over 105 ebooks, e-courses, and exclusive video Q&As, all that fun stuff, all put together for just under 10 days. Only $49, but the whole thing is worth over $4,600. So you can check it out. There's raw cooking classes, major or regular cooking classes as well, and inflammation topics, and so many things. Decluttering your lifestyle, self-love topics, fitness and meal plans, plant-based weight loss for longevity. Some huge hitters in the plant-based movement are in here. Oil-free, low-fat, plant-based recipes. It's all that kind of vibe. Low-fat, oil-free, vegan, and raw recipes. Only available until March 2nd in my profile link, so you'll be able to check that out. It's an amazing deal. Less than 50 cents a book. Here it even says 85 ebooks, but we have upgraded it, and it is all the way up to 105 resources in this here. So a lot of different information, but I'll just go a little bit into here. So check this out. Like Dr. Neil Bernard's in there. Got the Shred It by Robert Cheek. He's really awesome. Dr. McDougall's in there. Online course, anti-inflammatory program. Got Lissa from Raw Food Romance in there, building a healthy relationship with food, a brand new one that she has. Dr. Rick and Karen Dina with their Harnessing the Power of Fruit and Veg. Got Chef AJ putting this all together. 3 exclusive cooking classes. Power Up 8-week transformation. I mean, just these ones here, look at that. That's worth over $150, about $150 just for these 4. And there's 105 plus in there. So it's a ridiculous deal. It's for a limited time. $6,500 worth of stuff for just $49. Here we got my 21-day spring meal plan, just as we're heading into spring. 45 frickin' awesome, simple, low-fat, raw gourmet recipes. Nice and simple, but it's got fancy stuff too, like lasagnas and stuff like that. Check this out, Dr. Frank Sabatino. He is super awesome. Like I said, we have some huge heavy hitters in here. And Inflammation Nation, talking about inflammation. So that's a really cool thing about this bundle as well. There are thousands of recipes, vegan, plant-based, raw food, of course, as well. But there's a lot of information, informational books. And then there's workshops and e-courses, and there's exclusive live events where you can get the Q&A for it. So you can be there live with the speaker like Dr. Neil Bernard and be a part of his live Q&A, which is pretty darn cool. We got Living Foods 101 by James Sant. We got another one from Lissa's Raw Food Romance. Dips and Dressings, 30 Easy Vegan Meal Plans. Dude Food by Nathan, the Ice Cream King. That's an awesome, awesome book if you don't have it. Dress for You. Eating Whole, all about whole food from Michelle. Live and interactive cooking shows from Dylan Holmes at Well Your World. Create your own vegan meal plan. That's pretty sweet. Ultimate Nutrition and Recipe Guide by Mastering Diabetes. These guys are no joke. They got some of the best info out there on this stuff here. And let's see, wow. There's so many here. I want to go through it all, but I also don't want to just bore you on here with me sloppily reading them, trying to out loud. I really encourage you guys to check it out. Probably would have been wise if I would have pinned it here, but again, the link is in my bio, so you can check that out. I like stuff like this too, like Detox Your Home. It's not just about what you eat, right? It's about your surroundings, your environment. And if you're in a toxic environment, if you got a lot of crazy ass stuff under the sink and things, in the air from stuff kind of coming out of the chemicals in your house, then that can have an impact. I mean, it can even just be like, your bed sheet or off-gassing and stuff. But of course, this goes a lot more into it. Ooh, Sexy Fit Vegan Complete Guide, Plant-Powered Dressings, Ultimate Six-Pack Abs. You want some six-pack abs? You can check it all out, right? Hooked on Plants. Look at this, inflammation in your diet. There's a lot of stuff in here too. Alive by Nathan Maris. Again, plant-powered snacks. Something I was really stoked to see in here too was there's a lot of stuff on emotional eating and compulsive eating, and again, like lots of information. It's not just recipes, so that's really helpful. Let's see what else we got. Lean and clean, plantfully lean, the potato reset. So it's not just raw food. So if you're, you're raw curious, you're loving lots of raw food, but you also love some simple cooked dishes, loads of information in here from some of the premier vegan doctors out there. So that's pretty darn awesome. Ooh, instant pot and breath awareness. That's pretty cool. Food allergies and inflammation. Yeah, 30 Days Raw by Lissa. Live class, time sensitive. There we go. Some more of those live classes. Introduction to the Raw Vegan Lifestyle by Jeanette. Plant-based holiday feast course. Here we go. Overcoming cravings and mindfully eating. Yeah, Karen, that's awesome. It's pretty crazy. Hey, yeah, there's a lot of really, really amazing books in here. And if you've been a part of some of the other bundles, then you may see some of the same books in there. But with 105 plus books, there's definitely going to be a large amount that you haven't seen. And that's even if you've already got other bundles. If this is your first bundle, then you're just laughing. But I'd encourage absolutely everyone to check it out. Meal plan app is pretty sweet. We got 5-star digestion from Matt Bennett. Really awesome one as well. Weight loss webinar. So if you're having a hard time losing weight or, just applying a raw food or vegan diet, it's good to get tons of different perspectives, I mean, while I may, toot my horn and think that, the simple raw food approach is absolutely the best for everyone in concept, in application, maybe it doesn't really fit you. And through having all these different resources, you're sure to find an approach and personality, and way of doing it that really fits you. And that's just the diet, right? This all goes into lifestyle and into fitness and into so much more. 7-day raw cleanse from the Fruitarian Ted Carr and the Hoos. Oh, Kale, yeah, you know it. 8-day workout challenge, batch cooking for healthy weight loss, juice and blend. This one looked really cool. I was checking that one out. Oh, Ted's giving us his dream body, or your dream body. Ooh, fancy. Burpees and greens challenge. I'm afraid of burpees, but she looks really tough. So plant-based diet to shred. Thriving. We're getting there. Oh, check this out. The Spirit Doctor from 350 pounds, a weight loss story. That's really awesome. Here's another one I was mentioning about the Binge eating guide. So that's really good because I think a lot of people might have information about a really healthful diet, might even have the foods, but a lot of it is mindset and the habits we have and just kind of our triggers, and if we can see why we're binge eating and, all those different things, going deep into it, the better off we're going to be. The easier we're going to be able to apply this stuff. So, yeah. Weight loss hypnotherapy. I'm going to check that one out. I haven't checked that one out. That's pretty cool. Healthy snacking, homemade dry mix video classes, virtual women's retreats. There's a retreat, $100 value from Chef AJ. Parties, picnics, and prep video course. Look at that, $79 itself. Hunger Games, never before released, $99. This is a guide to overcoming emotional eating. Worth $100 just by itself. So, tell you, there's a lot of awesome information, a lot of awesome books in here. 5 days to reset your plant-based life. This is an awesome one with Raw Chef Yin. Fun with Asian raw food, number 3. It's an epic one. Definitely gonna want to check that out. Raw Vegan Eats. Ooh, there we go. 1 and 2. Part 2, 1 and 2. That's sweet. With Jung-Soo Lee. She's awesome. Secrets in the Sauce. Stacey Henry. 21-day challenge. Look at this. Oh, we got Karen Ramsey in the house. Raw vegan recipes for families. You're getting the picture here. Look at this. Ooh, perfect foods. Wheatgrass, microgreens and sprouts, and the inside scoop. Ooh, plant-based masterclass. Weight loss made simple. Oh, we're at the end. Presentation, diet, and cardiovascular disease. ABCs of movement from optimal alignment. Optimal. I didn't say optical, did I? But I just wanted to kind of show this to you guys, just in case you're too lazy to push a button and check it all out yourself. If you watch this video, then you can just kind of veg and see some of it. And then if it perks your interest, then you might be motivated to move and push that button yourself. Check it out. Look at all this stuff. You got 9 days, but if you act now, then you have the next 9 days to look through them and tell other people about it, because you'll know that it was well worth it and you'll want to get other people involved, right? So I highly encourage you guys to check it out. So I just gotta say I'm really stoked to be a part of this one. It's a lot of fun, a lot of amazing, inspiring people putting this together, coming together with the things that they know can help you, because in concept, all this stuff is really easy. I'm thinking about doing a video on weight loss here in the next couple of days to in part promote this, but also share kind of my views and thoughts around that. But again, in concept, it seems pretty easy, but it isn't in practice always. And having all these resources and having the opportunity to do live Q&As with people and have the video courses and all that other fun stuff can really help a ton. Frugivore, thank you for your videos. Thad Chetam suggests your YouTube, and I love it. Oh, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate that. My heart and soul goes into all this. Been doing it full time for 12 years, over 12 years now. Almost 600 videos on my YouTube channel. Hundreds of recipes, my free app, all that fun stuff. But Ultimate Weight Loss Bundle, that's what it's about right now. That's, no more pat in my back. No more pat in my back. Otherwise, always happy to share, always happy to connect. I hope you guys absolutely love this bundle. It's an incredible deal. I'm going to be shamelessly promoting it for the next 10 days because I know the potential it has to help you and your loved ones. This is one of those ones that, if you know somebody who's interested in plant-based living, they're interested in vegan living, they're interested in raw food, they're interested in fitness, maybe they've had a hard time with emotional eating and binge eating, maybe they're a little bit overweight and they just can't seem to get it. Share it, just let them know. Share this video, send them to my profile, find the link, send it to them. Obviously I'm an affiliate, so I really appreciate when people go through my link, but I just want to get this out there. I want people to be exposed to it because you're not going to find 105 books like this all put together for this price with this specific kind of overview where it's really soft for anyone, no matter their dietary approach, and with a really good mix of courses and live Q&As and ebooks and all that fun stuff. So such a pleasure, Karen. Absolutely. Indecisive Fixation, thumbs up to you as well. Much love back, Frugivore. Thanks so much to everyone for spending these couple minutes of your morning. If you're in the morning, I hope you have an amazing day. And as always, wishing you much. Peace, love, and seasonal fruit. Peace, guys. Bye-bye. The Ultimate Weight Loss Bundle. You gonna want to check it out before it's gone. Ooh, don't forget to check out my raw recipes playlist in the top left, the video just for you in the top right, subscribe for more videos in the bottom right, and get your 3 free ebooks in the bottom left. Grab your free raw recipe app, available on iPhone and Android with over 100 free raw recipes, common fruit and vegetable calorie breakdown, frickin' raw and food combining chart, shopping cart function, and so much more.